Turn off the grinder. Disconnect the plug from the power source. Loosen the hopper security screw with a Phillips screwdriver. Check that the bean trap is fully closed and remove the hopper. Turn the adjustment brake clockwise to tighten the grinding regulator. Insert the tool or a number 8 hex Allen key into the hexagonal holes and turn it in the direction indicated by the icons. Pull up on the grind regulator to access the grinding cavity. Using one hand to hold the lower burr support, unscrew by turning clockwise with a 13mm socket wrench. Pull up on the burr to release it. Clean the interior using a brush or vacuum cleaner and remove any coffee residue. Before installing the new burr, align it with the shaft key and press down. Using one hand to hold the lower burr support, screw by turning counterclockwise with a 13mm socket wrench. Use the number 3 hex Allen key to loosen the 3 screws that hold the burr. Pull up on the burr to release it. Clean the interior using a brush or vacuum cleaner and remove any coffee residue. Install the new burr, align it with the 3 holes, and use a number 3 hex Allen key to tighten the screws. Before reinstalling to the grinder, ensure that the surfaces marked in red are completely clean and free of dust. Before installing the grind regulator, ensure that the surfaces marked in red are completely clean and free of dust. Insert the grind regulator, aligning it with the 3 pins of the grind chamber marked in red, until it fits completely. Turn the tools or a number 8 hex Allen key in the direction indicated by the icons to close the mechanism. Install the hopper back and open the bean trap. Tighten the hopper security screw with a Phillips screwdriver. Connect the plug to the power source and turn on the grinder. You've completed the burr replacement.